Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MOU Agricultural Engineering once again. Today, we'll be showing you the manual means of planting yams. So the yam, this is a yam seed. This is a yam seed, and this is a yam set. This in particular is water yam, and this is white yam. They have all been treated and placed on the mounds in a very beautiful pattern. Don't forget that the mounds are more like sitting solid cones on the ground, a cone. So after the placement is where we now proceed to the planting. So we are here on the farm with Mommy. Mommy is a veteran farmer, and we'll follow Mommy carefully to see how she does it. And see how Mommy is placing it. It's a very beautiful planting process. She cuts at a particular angle. Those who are more scientifically inclined will say it's to an inclination of 45 degrees, and then the yam is placed you can see how the process it is. As simple as it looks, it takes you some time to learn how to do this properly. You can see that for those that have already been cut, she tries to place the cut side up. Exactly, the cut side is placed to face up. When she carries the one that is a whole seed, she places it by the side. When it is cut, it is placed up. Observe this pattern carefully. Observe this pattern very carefully. Whatever machines there are that have been developed only mimic this manual operation. When it's already sprouting, she's careful enough to expose it or allow it to come up. So you see, that usually happens, but like I told you, Mommy is a veteran and she has just sorted that issue out. So for those who want to venture into yam farming and have to do the planting themselves, this should serve as a tutorial video to enable you learn how it is done. If you need further training, you can contact us on MOU Agricultural Engineering. We'll take you to Mommy's farm, or we'll bring Mommy to your farm, and at the right fee, she will teach you exactly how to do this, and hopefully you do have a bumper harvest at the end of the day. It's a beautiful process. So as this is going on, since it is still at the very early part of the season, it is unsure the consistency of the rain or the threshold of rainfall. So if you can look at the heads of the mounds on places that have already been planted, you can see some plant materials, debris or residue have been placed at the top, and then some sand or soil placed over it to ensure it is being held down. That is called mulching. M-U-L-C-H-I-N-G, mulching. It's an intercultural practice in agriculture to prevent direct sun rays from hitting the soil, which may actually affect negatively the sown seeds, as well as it prevents the direct impact of precipitation on what has been planted. So these mulching materials can be old plants residues that are still on the field, or they can be fresh leaves such as these ones that are currently being used. So you have these fresh leaves to be placed. Now you see here you have fresh leaves. You have old plant materials or residue, and so when this is done, the next thing will simply be to pick up plant materials, as I would do right now with my bare hands. Pick them up and drop. So this is faster making use of the hole, but since we are short on labor hands in the farm, we may not have to capture that. Yes, you see, beautiful process. Our veteran mommy is doing well to demonstrate that for us, and the mulching process is done. And after this point, your yams are good to go. You simply watch out for the weeds, for the right period of fertilization, and other subsequent operations that will be done. Thank you once again for joining us on MOU Agricultural Engineering. We hope to bring you more beautiful videos in time to come.